Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a patriotic messy bow and these are the supplies I'm using. First thing I want to do is start with my sign. I'm going to cut off the red ribbon and I'm going to replace it with some twine that I have. It's a thicker twine and that's going to be my hanger because I wanted enough space in between the sign and my messy bow. I'm just kind of measuring out my twine and I'm going to glue it to the back of the sign. I'm going to put some glue down first and then I'm kind of put the twine in the dollop of glue. Then I'm going to go back over it with some more glue and then I'm going to put some scrap ribbons on top. So here's the first layer of glue. Now I'm going back over top of the twine with some more glue and then I'm going to come in with my scrap ribbons and lay that on top. I always try to remember my finger guards. If you have ever burnt your finger, then you know. I'm putting the scrap ribbon over top of the twine just for extra security. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to put that to the side and let it dry. I have 12 strips of ribbon here. I have 2 of each kind, and now I'm going to go through and dovetail each and every one of them. They're all around the same size. They're around 19 inches long. This is going to be a big messy bow. I don't know what happened to the front of this footage, but anyway, once you get them dovetailed, you're just going to make an X. I just go in order. Now I'm going to zip tie them together. So you just want to get the zip tie started, and then I'm going to scrunch it in the middle, and then zip tie it, but not all the way down. I'm going to bring it to the back, and I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. This pipe cleaner is going to allow me a way to add it to that twine. So I'm going to add the pipe cleaner before I zip tie it all the way down, and then after I get that on, I'm going to trim off that zip tie and fan out my tails. This is where I'm just fanning them out. I'm going to get them exactly the way I want them. They call this breaking the bow. They also call this fluffing the bow. As I'm fanning them out, I'm also kind of like giving them a curl. I just want them to come alive. So I'm taking an extra piece of ribbon that I have, and I'm going to go right down the middle of the bow. I just want to cover up my mechanics. So here I'm just folding it in on itself, and I'm going to wrap it around the middle part of that bow, and I'm going to tie it off in the back. Now I'm going to add another pipe cleaner right down the middle. I chose white, probably should have chose red, but I'm going to make a hook. This way I have a way of hanging it on my door. So I just wrap it around in the middle, then I twist tie it, and then I wrap the pipe cleaner on top of itself and just kind of twist tie that. This way you have a hook. Okay, friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.